Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Instagram login error. For that, we have so many of login errors, a couple of login errors. One is like this, sorry, there was a login problem with your request, and here also we have some type of request problem. So for that, we need to turn on our internet connection. First, let's see your internet connection is on or off. After that, go to Instagram account and click to log in your Instagram account. Try to log in my, and if your Instagram is in update means just update it, and it was not in update means update it and click on Instagram account, and here you will see app support. Click on that. Here you will see app support. Tap on that. After that, click on email address, and just once here you need to type your subject is Instagram login error. Instagram login error, and compose the email. Which problem did you have? Uh, After that, you need to type your which mail was you connected to your Instagram account and your username ID. After giving this your username ID, just click on share option. Here you will click on share option. So within 24 hours they'll rectify your problem and come back and log in with your Instagram account. Thank you.